When darkness falls and chaos reigns, when the world's in fear and strain, a rubber chicken, who'd have guessed? The zombie slain, you're the best! Oh chicken, savior of the world. Who would have thought you'd make the zombies whirl? With your squeak, so loud and shrill, you set the undead running against their will. Oh chicken, savior of the world. Who would have thought you'd make the zombies whirl? With your squeak, so loud and shrill, you set the undead running against their will. So remember folks, here's the thing, a rubber chicken can do more than you think.